SX. So I have been rocking OEM style headlights for a while, and I can tell you that, you know, doing some nighttime drifting and street drifting, there's instances where you can barely see the road. So that's the first thing I'm going to take care of. I ordered some LED upgrades, and that's going to be going on the car, along with tightening up a few other things. My dump tube for my wastegate has been hitting my steering column, so gonna change that up and tighten the bolt, or change the angle, tighten the bolt. And here are the LEDs right here. Pretty dope. I've seen a few other people using them. I really like the result. They're really cheap, not expensive whatsoever, and I will post information in the link. Can't exactly remember the name of them right now, the company, Oxbeam or oxsomething.com. Anyway, like I said, it'll be in the description. Huge upgrade compared to these. You can barely see anything out of them. So I really want that pop where I can get a nice clean beam coming out and be able to not have to worry about any of that. And here's let me see if I can get it in here. Alright, let's see if we can get this in here. Well, it's pretty difficult to see, but that's my dump tube down there, and that's my steering column. And they're just close enough where they're hitting each other. So I need to change the position of that. It's fairly easy. All I gotta do is loosen it, or I'm sure it's already loosened. Turn the angle and then tighten it. So other than that, I'm gonna end up cleaning the interior up a little more. Get all the miscellaneous and garbage and everything out of the car. I already cleaned the dash. Dash looking a lot cleaner. I'm actually not gonna be running the S14 door panels anymore. I'm gonna be switching to CNC aluminum door panels, and probably powder coat them black. So, because race car. Wheel's been holding up great. The car has been drifting phenomenal. The suspension's great. Oh yeah, there's another thing I have to tighten up on here. Went drifting the other night, and let's see if you can see it right there. That, my exhaust bolt right there for the mount in there, fell out. It's gone. So I gotta replace that because I hear it bouncing around when I go over speed bumps and stuff. Not really a big issue, but I want to keep it nice, clean. Really no complaints, nothing but good news. Actually going with a body kit soon and paint. Actually trying to figure out which way I'm gonna go. I'm not sure if I want to wrap the car, paint the car, or dip the car. So if you guys don't mind, you know, just leave a comment and let me know what you guys think we should go with. Alright, so we're at my friend's shop called SC Factory. You guys go check him out on, I don't know if he's on Instagram, but I know he's on YouTube. So you can check him out on YouTube under SC Factory. And he has a bunch of clean ass SCs and stuff. You know, he's like the 2J guy. What's up, Mauricio? Let's see what we got going on here. Very nice. So this is a 1J top mount, and how much was this one putting down?
370 on Mustang down.
370. That's not bad.
It's pretty good for T5,
Yeah, I mean, I have like the same turbo basically. Yeah, yeah.
Dude, yours is probably doing better than mine right now.
I have no complaints on it. Mine's running like a champ, beating that 1J over there with an RB25. You know, just RB life. All right, but this is what I really want to show you guys. This thing is beautiful. So, JDM as fuck. Got a Soarer.
It's super clean.
Probably like the cleanest one I've ever seen.
Not a big turbo on it, but it's still.
Damn, that is clean as hell. That's like fresh off the assembly line, clean.
Fucking piezo suspension.
I have no idea what that is.
Neither do I. It's electronic suspension, but I don't even know if it works.
that clean interior, guys. That's insane.
Actually, like, together, but this guy's picking it up in an hour, so, and he wants me to change a wire. But it was clean like 15 minutes ago.
Oh, not to mention, guys, that's 6-speed. I think he said it. I don't know if you heard it, but
Oh yeah, look at this.
oh yeah,
That's it shifts.
CD009 conversion kit, which was extensive modifications to make it work, by the way. And I mean, it's just a clean Soarer. It's time to get back to the 240 and put some work in. We're gonna start by removing these 2 screws right here because they're already off on the other side. So. And it basically just comes off. All right, so there we have it. New headlights. And once it gets dark later on tonight, I'll show you how bright they are. Because I don't even know myself yet. But they do look nice. And these are the old pieces of shit right here that barely freaking give me light. Probably keep them for spares just in case, but hey.
I don't wanna leave, cause I ain't really done yet, cause I ain't see the sun yet. I'm tryna see what's next. I don't wanna leave, cause I ain't really done yet, cause I ain't see the sun yet. Tryna see what's next.